Good morning, children. Welcome to your economics class. And today we are starting a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is correlation, and it is chapter number 12. So, children, what is correlation? Before starting the chapter, we need to know what is the meaning of correlation. So, it is a statistical method or technique that measures relationship between different variables like price and demand. So children, correlation means, in general term, correlation means when two things are related to each other. Okay, and we have to study their relationship, ki what type of relationship they are having. Fine. So it is a statistical technique which helps us to study the relationship between both the variables or the number of variables which are given to us. For example, you could say ki price and demand. If we talk about price and demand, there is a relationship between price and demand. Always there is a relation. This means ki when the price is high, then what is the demand? What is the relationship between price and demand? When price is high, demand always falls. Okay, demand always falls, and vice versa. Or you could say ki when price is low, then demand is always high of a particular product. Okay, so suppose we are going for butter and bread. Okay, we are talking about relationship between butter and bread. Both the things are related. Both the things are related to each other. That means butter is related to bread. If the price of butter falls, then demand for bread will increase. Okay, if the price of butter falls, then demand for bread will increase. So if, and vice versa, if price increases, then demand for bread will decrease. So we are studying relationship between any two things or more than two things which is given to us. So children, while studying correlation, we study the relationship between the given variables. Okay, as we studied about, you could say ki price and demand, these are two variables. Over here price is the variable given to us and demand is the other variable given to us. So we are studying relationship between price and demand over here. Similarly, we can study about demand of a product. There is a relationship between demand and supply. Okay, then if we talk about rainfall and suppose say any food crop, wheat, so these are two variables which are given to us, or you could say ki more than two variables can also be given to us. Suppose rainfall, wheat, and the other thing manure. So it depends how many variables are given to you and what is the relationship between those variables. So if we talk about manure, it is related to wheat. Okay, and if we talk about rainfall, that is also related to wheat. That means growth of wheat, or you could say production of wheat, will depend upon rain. Okay, and production of wheat will also depend upon the type of manure we are using for the production of our crop. Okay, so these are three variables, and you could say कि more than three variables, more than two variables भी हम स्टडी करते हैं अपने कोरिलेशनशिप में. उनका कोरिलेशन फाइंड आउट करते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो यू कुड से कि इफ ओनली टू वेरिएबल्स आर गिवन टू अस, देन ऑल्सो we need to study what is the type of relationship between both the variables. So children, if we talk about supply and price, okay, when supply is high of a particular product, when supply is high, तो वी कुड से कि प्राइस विल फॉल, फाइन, एंड व्हेन सप्लाई विल बी लो or less supply, so you could say कि the price automatically rises because there is a shortage of that particular product in the market. So here we are studying that how supply depends, how price depends upon supply of a product. When the price is you could say कि price becomes low when the supply of that product, or you could say मार्केट में उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट को ज़्यादा बेचा जा रहा है, क्यों? बिकॉज उसकी सप्लाई ज़्यादा है. एंड वाई द प्राइस इज़ हाई, प्राइस हाई क्यों है? बिकॉज द सप्लाई इज़ हाई ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट. एंड वाई द प्राइस इज़ यू कुड से कि सप्लाई लो है उसकी, तो प्राइस उसका हाई होगा ऑटोमेटिकली.